for long. Gotta see Mr. Kwan. He's the man with magic hands.